चलिए अब हम डिस्कस करेंगे सेकंड प्रॉब्लम एंड अगेन इन दिस प्रॉब्लम आल्सो दे हैव गिवन टू इक्वेशंस एज you already know that you need to compare these given equations with a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equals to 0 and then a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. So when you compare this first equation with this equation, then you can write a1 is equals to 9, b1 is equals to 3, c1 is equals to 12, and then after comparison of second equation with this, you can write a2, b2, c2 values. Next our duty is take ratios. So a1 by a2, b1 by b2, c1 by c2 we need to take. So the ratios are on the screen. Now when you look at here 9 by 8, for these two numbers you can divide with the 9, so you will get 1 by 2. Similarly for these two numbers means numerator and denominator can be divided with 2, so you will get 1 by 2. Here also you will get 1 by 2. So finally what you can see is a1 by a2, b1 by b2, c1 by c2. These three ratios are also equal for these two pair of linear equations. So in this case, if you see here on the screen, a1 by a2, b1 by b2, c1 by c2. If this is the case, then what kind of lines these are? Are they intersecting, are coincident, or parallel? Yes, you are right. The given pair of lines are coincident lines. Let us look at the next question, and again after comparison you will get these are the values of first equation, and after comparison second equation you will get these are the values. Let us now find the ratios. So when you take ratios, after simplification you can get 6 by 2 is nothing but 3, and here you will get 3, and here you will get again 10 and 9 don't have any common factor. But when you compare a1 by a2 with b1 by b2, these two are equal. So if they are equal and but not equal to c1 by c2, a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 but not equal to c1 by c2. In this case, what might be the solution? See here, by looking at, you can say whether the given pair of linear equations are parallel, coincident, or intersecting. Yes, your guess is correct. The given pair of linear equations are lines or parallel lines. Hope you got good clarity from this video of two problems which we have discussed.